Christmas morning.
Good morning.
Christmas morning.
Santa came. Let's go see what he got you. Let's see. What's this? What's this? Let's see. Can you pull off the blanket? Your mama will do. Oh! Look!
Wow! It's your own little kitchen. It's your own little play kitchen. Yeah. Wow.
Yay.
Merry Christmas. Your play kitchen.
Come on, play. Look, Julie. Wow.
Wow. Push the microwave buttons. Look here. Push. Whoa. That is neat. Look inside.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I want 3D.
Uh-huh.
Julie, look.
Wow. Cooking. It's cooking.
And look at this. Look at this.
Isn't that neat, Julie?
Nice.
Yeah.
And you can close that.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
Cool. You gonna make mommy breakfast?
Hey, look.
Wow.
Look. And what's it?
Open the refrigerator.
Yeah, generator.
Open.
Mama help.
Oh,
there's food.
Look at all the food.
What's that? Pizza?
A pizza.
Here, look. There's a plate here. There.
Yay!
It's a chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Oh, put lettuce on pizza.
Whatever your little heart desires, you can have lettuce and pizza.
Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas.
Triangle.
Triangle, yes! Triangle of watermelon. It's your first computer.
It's an computer. For Julie to play on a computer.
Yeah,
Yep, that was the
last one that they had.
What was the regular price?
$40.
Oh, wow.
Got for half off.
Wow,
It's for Julie to do computer.
Wow, Julie.
That's cool. Look.
Mommy and Daddy on a computer. You on
Thailand game with?
Yep.
Oh,
You play with
I
what to
can
play with.
fiddle
I
it.
want to
Okay.
Fiddle it.
I pillow it.
I can fiddle with it.
Do you want to play with it?
You look very pretty, Julia.
Black pants.
Very pretty necklace.
She wanted all of her headbands on, and she said they're a rainbow.
Outside of the gym, I would.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get chance to?
Oh my God.
Tony, do you like that
Exciting.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get sick of that song, aren't I?
Yeah.
It does.
Awesome.
You just don't have to.
Oh!
She's going.
She wants to keep me to be surprised.
Okay, when she opens it. Okay, open and then we'll be surprised.
Again, she didn't get it. No. We were dropping little notes like, oh yeah, talking about where she gets her haircut. Do they do those nice shades with the braids? No. notice anything different about